Yo friends, welcome back. Let's make healthy baby spinach without pizza crust. Save the recipe now so you can refer back when you want to make this pizza recipe, yeah. Chopped onion, tomato, wash baby spinach, and best eggs until frothy and seasoning to taste. Stir fry onion and tomato until fragrant, then add egg liquid and baby spinach. Sprinkle handful cheese on top and cook with low heat to melt the cheese.
Smells so good. Yummy.
Sprinkle more oregano if you like. Pizza is cooked and let's eat. This pizza is so delicious and so easy to make. Can't have enough of it. Give it a try also. Make for your family, they will love it too. Welcome to subscribe my channel so you won't miss my daily recipe for free. Also welcome to visit my channel when you need cooking inspiration, yeah.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.